Okay, Land Rover Defender XS Edition. This is a 3 litre D250. And when it comes to Defenders, to find one with all the right options and the right factory spec, it's very hard. And now the XS Edition represents just great value for money in terms of the specification. What you actually get on one of these is fantastic. They've got all the right toys on them. And this is a 2024 on a 24. It's done 3,300 miles. It's finished in Santorini Black Metallic. Now Land Rover have just discontinued the XS Edition, so you can no longer actually order one of these. So I'm just going to show you around the exterior first. It's got a full bespoke styling package on this one. It looks absolutely fantastic. Everything done in gloss black. We've got all the gloss black mesh and the lower grills here. See the camera in the front there, so you've got the 360 cameras, LED adaptive xenons, Black Defender badging, lower canards there to the front bumper, which then flow into the extended gloss black wide arches. 22-inch gloss black wheels with Yokohama Geolander tyres. Got the top vents on the bonnet here in gloss black. They look superb. Side vents in gloss black. And then the gloss black LED pod lamp. So condition wise, obviously 3,300 miles. Just going to show you up close on the bonnet here. I can hardly see a stone chip or anything like that. It's an absolutely superb order. It's only about 6 months old. I'll just take you down the side. We've got the black side steps, all the lower sections colour coded in the Santorini. Got the big mud flaps front and rear. Signature graphic, which is this section here, part of the XS Edition spec. Gloss black roof rails. And these are just a great all-rounder. My vehicle of choice, I've also got one of these for myself. They're absolutely fantastic, exactly the same. Gloss black rear bumper, Urban Automotive black spare wheel cover. Show you up close how lovely it is. Rear spoiler in the gloss black. We've had a few of these before and they haven't hung around long, so to get one now in this spec, now they've discontinued them, you cannot get a new one. And to buy the equivalent specification on, let's say, an X Dynamic model, it's going to cost you thousands of pounds more. So, and that's without all this lovely styling. So I'm just going to show you inside, show you a few features that the XS Edition gives you. One of them is the keyless entry button on the door there. As you can see, ambient lighting is on in the lovely purple. Full black leather interior, perforated seats. Now these seats are heated and cooled, so both options. Main feature, opening glass panoramic roof that tilts and slides. On the steering wheel here, you've got lane assist, heated steering wheel, Meridian audio, memory seats, steering column adjust. I'll just take you in the centre. You'll see here the wireless phone charging pad. Open the cubby box, that's the refrigerated cubby. Full digital speedo, 3,358 miles only. Push button start, air suspension. And that's a main feature on the Defenders, and they do drive a lot more smoother, better ride quality with the air suspension. You can obviously lower and raise the vehicle from the button. Over carpet mats, got the PAL points in the back, plenty of room in the XS Edition. All the specification, what these have, is in our advert listing. And then in the back, you've got the air suspension buttons to lower and raise the vehicle, but large boot space in there with the parcel shelf. So if you want to have a look on our website, www.ma-sv.co.uk, there's the full advert listing on there, all the specification, there's 20 plus photos, everything that this Defender has. Give us a call if interested, 0777 111 2040. Thank you for watching.